Good news nga yan talaga.
Tama, Atos.
Para po yan sa inyo.
Aba kung ganon, that's all good.
Lose your trust this year, more to know, lots to learn. Start right here.
Good stories, good recipes, na nakaka-good vibes.
Worry, be happy.
We're happy to keep you company. Sugar cane, good food is
Let's jump for joy.
Good escape, make good memories together.
Get ready for adventure.
Magano, let's make good memories. Ayan, ito na.
Patikim pa lang yan ang bonggang ihandog sa inyo.
The friends are coming, they're fun and entertaining. Their bonding is entertaining this whole new game. Relax, watch movies.
Diba?
And all the good stuff. You're lucky, feel mighty when fantasy meets reality.
Good and fall in love. Everything is larger than life. When good drama comes to life,
Tara,
feels
let's
good
go.
to be alive.
Spirit, let's go. Beat them all.
Beat them all.
Show your teen spirit, let's fight. Show your fight, let's go. Good times, good vibes. With GTV's gonna be alright. Everybody.
This is GTV DWDB TV Channel 27, a commercial TV station with 30,000-watt transmitting power authorized under station license number BSD-0175-2022 REN, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until May 9, 2025. GTV studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA Corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GTV transmitter station is located at Barangay Culiac, Tandang Sora, Quezon City. GTV engineering is headed by Elvis B. Ancheta, professional electronics engineer number 897. GTV transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio operators with licenses issued by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Ricardo L. Cabral, professional electronics engineer number 92. Erwin R. Timbre, electronics engineer number 3650. Joel M. Agu, electronics engineer number 40727. Bonnie Ray A. Ulang, electronics engineer number 47499. Gerald C. Arellano, electronics engineer number 49545. Jonathan G. Salvo, electronics engineer number 19705. Chester Luis C. Banzuela, electronics engineer number 59014. Louis O. Shapenko, electronics engineer number 15586. Ralph T. Palma, electronics engineer number 29315. Rodrigo P. Quizon Jr., professional electronics engineer number 875. Eric D. Kalaykay, electronics engineer number 26010. Ryan Jesus I. Zapanta, electronics engineer number 41636. Christian C. Cordovez, electronics engineer number 46636. Jefferson V. Dahilog, electronics engineer number 24515. Robert D. Santos, electronics engineer number 27671. Mamerto D. Logronio Jr., electronics engineer number 28729. Celestino A. Vega Jr., electronics engineer number 19182. RVP Carriaga, electronics technician number 603. Inocencio Robert D. Maniago, 95-1PNCR-15029. Arnel V. Aricheta, 93-1PNCR-6617. Nathaniel F. Santiago, 11-1PHN-26421. Manuel B. Relion, 99-1PNCR-21589. Junie D. Sioson, 95-1PVI-12771. Lucas B. Caminate, 95-1PXI-12654. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in 27 stations nationwide. Luzon, GTV 27 Manila, TV 27 Ilocos Norte, TV 27 Tuguegarao, TV 26 Apari, TV 22 Benguet, TV 26 Olongapo, TV 26 Batangas, TV 26 Occidental Mindoro, TV 27 Puerto Princesa Palawan, TV 27 Masbate, TV 28 Naga, TV 27 Legazpi, Visayas, TV 27 Calibo, TV 27 Rojas, TV 28 Iloilo, TV 27 Cebu, TV 28 Dumaguete, TV 26 Tacloban, Mindanao, TV 26 Dipolog, TV 22 Osamis, TV 26 Pagadian, TV 27 Surigao, TV 27 Davao, TV 26 General Santos, TV 21 Zamboanga, TV 27 Cotabato, TV 26 Holo. This is GTV, now signing off.
Ang mga pamana ng ating kultura. Mula magulang sa anak hanggang sa susunod pang henerasyon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, sa tahanan at sa ating pakikitungo sa kapwa, nabubuo ang mga katangiang ating pinahahalagahan. Mga katangiang humuhubog sa ating pagkatao at sa ating pagiging Pilipino. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang mag-ibig sa sinangalan, alam ng puso sa dinig mo'y buhay. Upang hinirang, tuyag na ng mag-ibig sa manlulubig. Di ka masisingil sa nanagang tunog sa simoy at sa langit ang magaw. Ay ginagaw tulangawin sa magayang minamahal. Ang isang lang matawad mo'y tagumpay na nag-ibig. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di mag-ibig. Lumanang araw ng walhating pansing